Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not installed on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve not installed on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Then this list will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we can click on Facebook and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.